forward place value and FPN one and a same thing. FPN forward position number, forward place value. As you all know, every alphabet is at their fixed place. A is at first position, B is at second position, C is at third position. It will never change. It is not like that C will be at 22nd place, or C will be after Z, or C will be before A. It will never happen. Their sequence remains same always. So you have to memorize their position numbers. Like A is at first position, B is at second position, C is at third position, D is at fourth position. So these are what? These are forward position number that you have to memorize. Forward position number of the alphabets. Total 26 alphabets, so 26 position numbers you have to memorize. A1, B2, C3, D4, so on till Z. Z is 26. Clear? So this is what you have to memorize by heart. But sometimes it feels like it is difficult to memorize it. So today I'm going to tell you a very good trick that will help you in some way to memorize these position numbers. So let's start with it. So as you all know about it, guys, A, B, C, D. I don't think so there is any there is need of any kind of trick for A, B, C, D. A is 1, B is 2, C is 3, D is 4. That is absolutely clear to everyone. They are the first 4 alphabets. Hai na? Now, next that you have to memorize is EJOT. EJOT. What is EJOT? E5, table of 5. E5, J10, O15, T20, and Y is 25. I don't think so there is any need to memorize them. EJOT, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. EJOT. So total 9 alphabets done. A, B, C, D, EJOT. And after that, last one is Z. Z is the last alphabet, 26, so no need to explain you that. So I don't think so there is any need of any kind of trick for these 10 alphabets. A, B, C, D, EJOT, and Z. Let's see for the remaining alphabets. The first alphabet is F. You can learn this word. Yes, you can learn this word fix 6. Fix 6. This is what? Whenever F comes in your mind, you will remember the word fix 6. It is a rhyming word. So fix 6. So position number of F is 6. Now the next one is G. If you see the shape of the G carefully, the tail of the G is like this. It is looking like what? The tail of G is looking like what? Tell me the shape of it. It is looking like 7. So from the shape of the G, you will find out the position number of G is 7. H. Now come upon H. If you see H carefully, if I'm going to make a cap over H, top of the H and bottom of the H, it is looking like what? It is looking like 8. So H is 8. Getting it? Now the next one, I. How many of you are writing I like this? Many of you? Many of you are writing I like this? Yes. So it is looking like what? 9. Yes, cursive, it's 9. It is looking like 9. The shape of I is looking like 9. So the position number of I is 9. So with the shapes of F, G, H, and I, you can memorize the position number of F, G, H. F6, G8, G7, H8, I9. Simple and easy. J you already know from EJOT. Those who don't write, I like it. You don't like to write I like this?
Ma'am, I was asking that who don't write I in cursive.
Oh, okay. Chalo, now let's move to the next one. F, G, H, I. Now J. J, EJOT. Next is what? J, K. How many of you knows about it? Kings 11 Punjab. Kings 11 Punjab. Yes. So from this, K is 11. Simple and easy. Kings 11 Punjab. Team. Cricket team Kings 11 Punjab. L. Now, a little trick in L. 12. How many of you know the pronunciation of 12? Whenever you are saying the word 12, in the end, the L sound is coming. 12. If you are talking it like this, 12, L sound is coming. So that's why L is 12. If you see the sound, so the position number of L is 12. Clear? K, L, M, and N. M and N are middle letters. Total 26 letters, 26 divided by 2, 13. So M is 13, N is 14. They are what? They are nothing but middle letters.